Andriotti on the right side. Drives in, floats it up for 2. Down to Weinbeek. Weinbeek for 2. On a fast break. Kelly to Andriotti on the right. Over to Rivera. Rivera for 3, and it's good. To Kelly. Out to Anderson for 3, and it's good. Kelly with the ball. Drives in. It's going to float it over the glass for Andriotti for 3 in the corner. Splash. There we go. Rivera for 3, and it's good. Isabella on the left side goes up for 2, and Anderson at the top of the key for 3, and it's good. The boards rebounded and put in. Barnhart back out to Howe for 3, and it's going to be good.
And he told us that he used to commentate for Barrington College basketball back in the team is. Gordon is much more well-traveled.
Left on the clock in the fourth quarter here. Let's get back into the game here a little bit. The shot there by Weindorf